Good morning, Namaste, Pranam to all brothers and sisters. I am Dr. Divakaran Cochin. My subject is medical science and astrology. Today I am going to speak about who will be an astrologer. Astrology and astrologer, Jyotisha. It is derived from the Jyoti. Those who are handle the astrology is known as Jyotishan or astrologer. ഒരു ജ്യോത്സ്യന് വേണ്ട ക്വാളിറ്റീസ് എന്താണ്? എങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരാളായിരിക്കണം ജ്യോത്സ്യൻ? വേദശാസ്ത്രങ്ങൾ പഠിച്ച ആളും വിനയനും വിദ്യാസമ്പന്നനും ഗണിതശാസ്ത്രം, സൂര്യസിദ്ധാന്തം മുതലായിരിക്കുന്നതായ ഗണിത വിഭാഗങ്ങൾ നന്നായി പഠിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള ആളും യോഗഫലങ്ങൾ, ഫലവിഭാഗങ്ങൾ നന്നായി പഠിച്ച ആളായിരിക്കണം. മറ്റുള്ളവരുടെ ദുഃഖങ്ങൾ പരിഹരിക്കാൻ കഴിവുള്ള ആളായിരിക്കണം. വേദാധ്യായി വിനീതോ സർവശാസ്ത്രഗ്രഹ ഗണിത പഠു. ജ്യോതിശാസ്ത്രത്തിന് പ്രധാനമായിട്ട് 2 ഭാഗങ്ങളാണ് ഉള്ളത്. ഒന്ന് ഗണിത വിഭാഗവും മറ്റൊന്ന് ഫലവിഭാഗവുമാണ്. ഇവയിൽ വളരെ തറവായിട്ടുള്ള നോളജ് നേടിയിട്ടുള്ള ആളായിരിക്കണം. ഒരു വ്യക്തിയുടെ ഏതു തരത്തിലുള്ള സംശയങ്ങളും പരിഹരിക്കാൻ കഴിവുള്ള ആളായിരിക്കണം. ലോകത്തുള്ള സകലവിധ വിഷയങ്ങളെ പറ്റിയിട്ടും അസാമാന്യമായ അറിവ് നേടുന്ന ആളായിരിക്കണം. Astrologically is as old as the Veda. It is said Lord Subramanya taught this divine science to Agastya, who made it known to others. Astrology paled into insignificance during the British rule and after independence was overlooked without giving it a place in the academic curricula. Nowadays, some universities also recognize the astrology as one of the science, and they are giving the graduation and post-graduation and PhD courses conducted by the universities of India. Astrology prepares one to face life by giving an indication of future events and happenings. And events is to be seen through more than a lone combination which can be early rebutted by another. The study of the horoscope through a computer, an inert machine, and by an astrologer with the gift of intuition. ഒരു ജ്യോത്സ്യന് വേണ്ട പ്രധാന ഗുണങ്ങളിൽ ഒന്നാണ് ഇൻറ്റ്യൂഷൻ. അയാൾക്ക് വരാൻ പോകുന്ന കാര്യങ്ങളെ പറ്റിയുള്ള അറിവ് ഉണ്ടാകുക. ഒരു വ്യക്തി വരുമ്പോൾ ആ വ്യക്തിയെ പറ്റിയുള്ള ജ്ഞാനം ഉണ്ടാകുക, അത് ഇൻറ്റ്യൂഷൻ ഉണ്ടാകുക. 5th house and 5th lord and Jupiter also very important to get the intuition. For example, in the case of matching for marriage, an astrologer can easily see from the horoscope whether the partner would be cripped or deaf or dumb or handsome or ugly, short or tall, which the computer cannot. The computer accepts furnishing the Dasha Bhukti periods under the Vimshottari or other Dasha systems. There are different systems in astrology. Vimshottari Dasha or Nakshatra Dasha, Niryana Dasha, Nisarga Dasha, Kalachakra Dasha and Pingala Dasha are the different dashas are calculated in the astrology. The computer printout is a mere reproduction of the corresponding data in its memory, for which even the programs refuse to own responsibility. Law of limitations. The law of limitations applies to all professionals, doctors, engineers, lawyers, and also to astrologers. A patient approaching a doctor seeks a remedy for his ailments and disease. The latter's personal life purify of motives and spirituality do not intervene between the doctor and the patient as long as his knowledge of medicine is through and he has been able to examine the ailment correctly and prescribe the correct drug, pointing out the course of treatment. The patient may get completely cured in all probability. A patient may also die due to administering drugs on a wrong digestion. Many people die in spite of introduction of life-saving drugs. Nowadays, likewise, the carelessness of the construction engineer may lead to several workmen of dying in the course of construction of building, dams and the laying of roads. Trains fail often in lawsuit because of the inability and incompetence of their advocate to urge the case and defeat them. These professionals sometimes decline to accept responsibility for their failure. Their failure and resultant hazards are accepted and even ignored on the analogy of to err is human and assignment made on their erstwhile major success, but in the case of astrologers, criticizers fall on them and make them scapegoats if any of the other predictions go wrong for reasons beyond their control. An astrologer not greater than God. His primary role is to act as God's mouthpiece, his predictive skill remaining secondary. He must be given the same margin as the other professions for failure. Laymen and others who are in distress and mentally upset and worried, and parents of the wards eligible for marriage approach astrologers for counsel in their aspiration and engineers to know their future. Parents prefer for their words only those who are earning and employed. Hence, they also throw the burden in addition on their astrologer to know the career proposals and earning capacity of the would-be groom. The astrologer would consider all such aspects in the couple's horoscope at the time of matching. Astrologer, like any other sciences, analyzes the pros and cons of the programs, evaluation techniques, and even if it is not like natural science, chemistry or mathematics and physics, it is equally good to adhere to common sense and conventions, logic and reasoning to test the truth or falsehood of a person astrologically is a complete and comprehensive discipline with the expression of the aphorism and dicta in euphemistic, suggestive, and symbolic terms in the terms style that baffle even erudite pundits and scholars. Sometimes the more one tries to interpret the ancient rules and the tenses, to more will be the confusion. Hence, some leeway to margin has to be given for the ancient dramatization and the exaggeration. The main object of the prediction is simply to convince and install in the consultant's mind and need to avail of the advantages of the benefits and to avert remedial measures to coming under mani and jam, mantra or prayers, and aushadas or medicines which can mitigate the handicapped evil indications. Thank you very much. If you like my subject, please subscribe it. I'll come tomorrow with other subjects.